Earn more, grow more. With SpareVillage, take your industrial spare products to buyers nationwide. You can register as a vendor in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Quick registration. Visit vendor.sparevillage.com and click Sign Up. Enter your name, phone number, and email ID. Verify them instantly. These details will be your direct channel to incoming orders and business opportunities. Simple, quick, done. Step 2. Instant digital store setup. Enter your GST number in your onboarding dashboard. Your company details are auto-fetched, saving you time. Just add your shop display name, business type, business category. Within minutes, your digital storefront is live and ready to scale. Step 3. Secure payments, zero worry. Verify your bank details to activate secure payouts. Provide your account details and upload a canceled check for verification along with your digital signature for invoicing. This ensures every sale you make is directly and safely credited to your bank account. Transparent, reliable, secure, and that's it. Once approved, you can list your products, start receiving orders, and unlock new revenue streams through SpareVillage. Your next level of growth begins here. Need support? Our team is ready to guide you at every step. SpareVillage, your personal sales engine.